Open MT Manager application. Download and install AIDE. Our AIDE is an application builder tool. Now you need to download NDK filing. You need to download it according to your device bit. If you don't know your device bit, then download 64-bit checker. After you download NDK, long-click on it, then click on Property Options, then long-click on Parent. It will copy the full path of file. Now open AIDE, then click on 3 dot which is located at top right corner, then More, then Setting, then Build and Run, then click on Manage Native Code Support and paste the copied text and click on Install. It will take few seconds to install. Make sure APK output directory is enabled. Now let's download mod menu source file. You can just search LGL mod menu viewed. It will be better to download from the description link because this tutorial for Android mod menu version 3.2. So if the new mod menu version in future, then this tutorial might not work. Make sure you are downloading mod menu v3.2. After downloading mod menu, extract it to any folder. Now open AIDE and go to that folder where you extracted zip. Now go to Application folder, then you'll get Open Android Application Project option. Click on it. Now click on Build icon, which I located at top right corner. It will take few seconds to build. Now give permission to install apps. Now install APK. To fix that, open build Gradle file. Replace compilast version and targets version to 29. Basically replace 30 to 29. Now save the file. I'm showing you that there is to build Gradle file, so don't do mistake. Anyway, after you do change, just build the APK. As you can see, problem solved. Now just give the overlay permission to app. If your application not installed, problem still not solved, then you can sign application using mtmanager.it will solve your problem 100%. Now, let's just open our build application. You can see our mod menu is built. Now we just have to do changes. We can add or remove switch, slider, etc. by doing some changes in main CPP file. In this video, we will discuss about zip only, so I'll explain this part later. Scroll down a little and search for this part. Now I'll explain about all of it. So first is category. Keep watching the video. I'm sure you'll understand. Category is basically used to write short text or divide features in groups. Now second one is toggle. The switch which currently I'm turning on and off is toggle. We can say it is basically an on or off switch. In third, you can see there is a number 100 and it is used to assign features case number. I will explain it more in next video. After number 100 there is written true to, so what that true does is that will make a switch is enabled by default. Basically it will turn on switch by default. Now, let's move to the seek bar. Seek bar means a slider which is used to slide any number. You can see seek bar looks like that. You can also see 1 and 100 in seek bar. The first number is used to set minimum slider value of slider, and second one is used to set maximum slide value of slider. There is written 1 and 100, so our slider can go from 1 to 100 only. Now, let's look at the second seek brand. There is written 1 and 5, so second slider can go from 1 to 5 only. Now, next one is spinner. Let's say spinner is just a drop-down menu. I don't know what is exactly called. Here you can see how it looks like. You can add many options in spinner, and you can separate options using comma. Next one is button, and from the name of it, I guess you already got it what it means. It is just a clickable button. You can see how it looks. Next one is button link, and we can say it is a link opener button. Look how it works. Now, next stone is button up, and I guess again you already have idea what it is. It is basically an on or off button. Next one is checkbox, and I guess in real also it is called checkbox. We use it to tick or untick the mod features. Next one is input value. Input value is used to write any number. You can see it works like this. Look in the second input value. There is written 1000, it means we can enter value up to 1000 only. If we enter more value than 1000, then it will automatically be 1000. Next one is input text, and it is used to write any text. Look how it works. Now another is radio button, and I really do not know what we can call it in simple, but you can see how it looks and works. In radio button you can only choose an option out of many options. Next one is collapse, and it is used to hide or unhide the features. You need to write collapse name of the collapse and composite feature name like toggle, seek bar, etc. Feature title name to add collapse in mod menu. Next one is rig text view. It is used to write text, and it supports some HTML too. It supports bold, italic, underline, line break, font color, etc. HTML. Last one is rich with view, and since it is with view, so it supports all type of HTML and CSS. Here you can see how it looks. I have explained all features, so now let's only add those features which we want to add in our mod menu. So at first I want to add category, so I'll write category and its name. Now I'll give comma, because I want to add more features. After category I want to add switch, so I'll write toggle switch name. If you want to add more switches, then again give comma and write toggle and its name. But I only want one switch, so I'll write toggle only one time. Anyway, now I'm going to add slider, so I'll write seek bar, and slider name, then I'll write minimum and maximum value. Now I'm going to add button, so I write button and the button name. You can add other things like radio button, checkbox, button off, etc. too. Check original main CPP, so you'll get idea how it works, and there is obfuscation at first. Write back to it will encrypt your feature name. Now let's build APK using our IDE. Sometimes your APK crashes, so in that situation click on 3 dots, then more than projects, and click refresh build. It will solve your crashing. Anyway, it won't fix your APK if it is crashing due to wrong coding. Now you can see it's only showing those features which we added, like category, toggle, seek bar and button. You might get little idea how it works. Anyway, if you still not understand, then you can't do anything in it. I can't explain it in more detail than this. If you little scroll down, then you can see cases. There it is used to a second task like if switch on, then do this, etc. Anyway, I'll discuss about cases in more detail in my next video. So now, let's learn to change a title and subtitle. For that, go to APK main JNI menu setup. Hand scroll down, and you can change title and subtitle from there. You can replace the original text to any text you want. For example, I'll write modded by Gamer Ardil. And title and subtitle both supports basic HTML too. Anyway, I forgot to change post in video, but you can change it too from here. Now, let's just build APK and see if our title and subtitle changed or not. You can see it worked. Now, let's learn to change background color, text colors, etc. So go to Java folder of mod menu, then go to menu, Java, and you can change every design from there. Anyway, we need to use Hex Code Apk, also download color Hex Code from Play Store. Hex color is used in HTML too, so if you have ever tried to create blog or Hampton, you might have idea what it is. So our app is installed. Now let's open it. Anyway, let me explain one more time. Here you can see after color, particle order is written some random letter and toes, our hex color code. Since this tutorial is about mod menu, so I won't explain in detail about hex color code. So use the app, get color code and just paste it. I'm going to add red background, so I'll select red and copy its hex code. Now I'll paste it in menu VG color because it will change the background color of menu. In menu feature BG I'm writing 80 because it is the hex code of full transparent color. Now let's change colors of text. I want to make text color black soil, select black and copy its code. Now I'll paste it in text color and text color too. You can change colors of anything you like. For example, I'll change color of category background, slider, strings, etc. Now, let's build APK and check how it looks. Let me change transparency of category. Now, let's build it again. So you can see our design looks cool. Let's see how it looks outside the app. It's still looking good. Let's change height and width of the mod menu. Now, let's add stroke too. Follow the steps to add stroke. You can change width and color of stroke like this. You need to add set padding to else stroke won't look good. Since my stroke width value is 8, so I'll give set padding also 8. Now, let's build APK. You can see height, width of mod menu is changed and stroke is also added. Let's increase radius of mod menu. You can change like this. Now, let's build the APK again. Our radius is also increased. You can see the final design. Now, let's change app icon. I don't have any good icon now, so I'll create one. Don't use higher size images for icon, it won't look good and it takes lots of size too. We need to convert image to base 64 Super browser and search image to base 64. I always use base 64. Guru, so you can use it too. You can convert image to base 64 like this. Now just copy the text. Now come to MT Manager and go to src main JNI menu H. Now select the text after quotation mark. And select it to before another quotation mark. Now just paste the text which you copied from web. Now save the file and build the APK. You can see our menu icon changed. If you want to change size of icon or transparency, then you can go to menu, tab and change it from there. We have changed the size and alpha. Now, let's build APK. You can see our icon size is changed and same goes with transparency. Our basic designing part ends with it. And this much for today's video. In next part, I'll teach you to apply offsets in toggles, seekbar, buttons, etc. So wait for it and make sure to share this video, because if I don't get good response in this video, then maybe I won't make next part.